Hindi, basta't nagtatrabaho kami, gagawin namin ang trabaho namin. Ang napaka-importante sa amin ngayon, and I always say this, the single most important piece of legislation that we must pass is the budget. We need to pass a 2026 clean budget under my watch as far as the Senate is concerned. That is my primary objective now. Kaya yung mga ganyang mga issue, I don't allow it to stymie the work of the Senate, especially the Senate President's office.
Binigyan din ni Senate President Vicente Sotto III na hindi niya tinitingnan ang mga isyu ng umano'y pang-aatake sa Senado o sa partikular na miyembro ng institusyon. Sinagot rin ni Senador Sotto kung poproteksyonan niya ang mga sangkot na senador sakaling tuluyan na silang makasuhan.
We'll cross the bridge when we get there. Basta there are legal means, there are ways, there are laws and legal ways that we should handle things. Everything should be, by the book or by the law.